Hey guys, we are day 4. Sorry about all the noise in the background. We're at day 4 with our doing a roof project. We did what we call a hip. For any of you ladies considering it, it's called a hip roof, right? Where the front comes down. You can also have a the one that the gable goes straight up and then off to the sides. They say a hip takes more material. I kind of believe that compared to a gable. But anyway, so here we are. We did really well. Probably 2 days, like one whole day they did all the ceiling joists, which I'll show you in a minute. The next day, a day or two, we did all the frame rafters, which I'll show you in a minute. But inside is real noisy because they're upstairs, they're up top. Now we've had 2 days. Today we finished all the plywood, and then we asked for a nail and wall inspection. All right, again, don't want to go in there because guys are up top, and obviously want to watch you. For you guys that are in, ladies that are in the construction industry, make sure always you have your public liability, workers' compensation in place. Always in case of an accident. But yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna I can sneak inside for a little bit. That is covered, where it's covered. Here we have pretty much all 2x8 guys, pressure treated rafters. These are ceiling joists for those of you ladies that are trying to learn about this. Ceiling joist once it sits on the beam. Okay. Then we have there's a beam. There's a beam here. We did a beam up there. And what they do is you usually use this to hold it up until they get, they're called jacks. So here's for the ladies, you ladies that are learning, ceiling joists, what sits on the bell-tin. Then the rafters, the piece that puts, you put the ply on. And then in between, hopefully you guys see here, it's called jacks. They help hold up the roof onto the rafters and apply up onto, yeah, they're called joists. Sorry, jacks, yeah? So they are using this until they have properly fastened them all up with the jacks. So just a little view, and this is about 4 days of work, so we made really good progress. Yeah, we'll do the next phase later.